Hey everyone, it's Tommy and thanks for joining me on the next video of our week of AutoCAD customization. So we've gone through what the menus look like, what the ribbons look like, what the palettes look like, how do we add new elements to it or new menus. So you might be working for someone who wants a menu, you might be wanting to make your own custom menu. So within AutoCAD itself, type in CUI, which brings up the Customize User Interface dialog. So this is where a lot of the, well, basically all of the menu items, the palettes, the ribbons, the toolbars are all controlled from. We can make new ones, so you can see there's all the customization files in here. So you can see that I can load partial ones, I can save into the current ones, and I can look at the managers, image managers in there. I can also make new files as well. So in the new file, I'm going to type in save as. And you can see I've already got some here, but I'm going to call this Tom. So just for me. And then that way I'm going to have my own custom menu in there as well. So now we need to load it into our partial customization files area here. So I'm just going to again just load that CUI file. And if I go back to all and then go into the partial, you'll see there's a new entry in here called Tom as well. So we can now have a play around with that and we can modify it. So if I wanted to make a new menu, I'm just going to click OK on that for now. And I'm going to load up the menu bar. So this top menu bar is a pull down where I want to add some new elements in here as well. So I just go back to my CUI and then go to partial custom files Tom, open up the menu, right click on it and say new menu and just call it Tom's shortcuts. Okay, and now you see it hasn't appeared in there yet because we need to edit the workspace. And because we're in the current drafting and annotation one, I want to make a new workspace just for myself. So all I need to do is go into the workspace here, right click on it and click duplicate. And then it makes a copy of that. And then I can click inside it and I can call it Tom's workspace. And I'm going to make it current. So just right click on it, set current. Now that it's the current workspace, I can customize it as well. And you can see over here that we have all of the menus all over here. Okay, and if it's not selected, all I need to do is select on Tom's shortcuts and go apply. Now it's not showing because it's empty. Okay, so we want to add some commands to it. So what do we want to do? Do we want to do maybe just some lines? Okay, so I can just type in here line. So let's say, what kind of line? Just a normal AutoCAD line. And I can drag it into Tom's shortcuts and now it's there available under the menu there as well. So if I go back to my workspace, and I customize it and I go to my menus, Tom's is available there. Click on apply, go OK. And if I click on show menu bar again, then you can see we've got Tom's shortcuts appearing there. So I can just start the line command straight off that as well. Okay, so what else we can do with that? Maybe I want a new ribbon in here as well. So again, same thing, go to the all customization files. You can open up the partial customization files and we want to add a new panel to a tab. So the panel goes first, so it's a new panel and I'll just call it shortcuts. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the menu. I'm going to add a line command to that. So look for the line command that's under AutoCAD. And then same thing, drag it into the shortcut and it's a line. So my line command is under the shortcuts panel, and then I can do a new tab, and I can call it, let's call it Tom Shortcuts again. And I drag this shortcuts entry into the ribbon tab, go apply. Okay. And what you might need to do also is just go back and customize the workspace and turn the ribbon on for that. And then go OK. Okay, and now you can see Tom's shortcuts all over here. So we can just go through and customize them later. If I want to switch back to the menu bar, I can come up here and do Tom's shortcuts over there on the left as well. So for today, that's all we're going to cover. So hopefully this gets you started in making your own custom menus and custom ribbon entries. And what we're going to do tomorrow is have a look at customizing some of these, making maybe new layers, and then just expanding our menus just so we can create better macros in here, so we don't have to do as much work in regards to maybe setting layers, drawing lines, and setting colors and whatever else we need to do. So again, thanks for watching. Please click the thumbs up button if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get daily notifications of all of my videos. Thanks for watching.